Good morning everyone, it's 5 a.m. in the morning and I'm already up because my baby woke me up very early. And I've been on vacation for the past 2 weeks, and apparently there's no vacation for mommies. Today is my second day of my challenge for myself to lose 5 kilos again. 30 days. Good morning. Today we are on our way to Subway to get our lunch later. So that's about 6 kilometers away from the house. It's in Wormerveer. Yes. Papa, say hello, Papa.
Hello.
Where's your daycare, Jens? So Jens' daycare is near this area. Monday to Fridays he goes to the daycare. Mondays, Tuesdays, 3 hours going this way. Yes, this is where you go, right? To your friends. How many degrees today, Papa? Today is supposed to be 32, so it's lower than yesterday. That's fine. The highway. It's warm, but luckily there's a little bit of tattoo. We do it fast. It looks so dead here. Like nobody's here. Okay. Everybody's on vacation, I think. To Mallorca, to Griechenland, to Italia, because there's nothing. Now. layout. Okay, woohoo, we're almost there. Hi everyone, so we just finished eating in Subway, baby, and we're gonna go ahead and go home now and start biking again in the heat. Yes, yes baby, let's go. Okay, Dada Fun and Monster. Okay. Oh, okay. Louie, see you. Yeah, okay, bye. See you, bye. Have you count? Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, Flinder. So we're stopping in the shades so I can change the battery of the GoPro because they ran out. So now we're gonna go on our way again. Yes. Yeah. Okay, baby. Okay. I'm getting deaf, baby. My ears, they can't handle anymore. They can't handle Ian's blabber, blabber, blabber. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. And they even got annoyed, huh?
Nee, maar pas op de voetbal. Daar kan gewoon z'n twee naar elkaar fietsen. Dan kan ook schudden. Kijk het maar.
Nee, papa, don't do it, papa. Whew, so warm. So warm and so warm. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Ha 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 ha. Ooh. Huh? Who is angry? My God, it's so warm, baby. Yeah. Yeah, but that's not our house, so we cannot go in the slide. There is your friends there, oh. Yeah, then Fina. Yeah? There? You still remember or no? Quack, quack. What's the color of the slide? What's the color? Yeah, what's the color? The color is... You don't know the color? Yeah, I know, baby. Yeah, oh, there's even water in the slide. Yeah. Can't eat, baby. It's so warm. Look, they're even swimming. Hey, that's not for kids. That's a lane for low fundaments. Do you want to go swimming? Yeah, do you want to go swimming? Yeah? Yay. that, baby. Used to just say duck, duck, slides, don't ladder. Yeah, because it's so warm. You're gonna be fried. Cassie, oh, Cassie is somewhere in Sparnwoud. They're not here. Ooh, gosh. Gosh. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, oh, Mr. Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun.